As the Obama administration comes to a close, the administration is really trying to leave its mark on the workplace. That's its legacy. It's doing that in at least 3 ways. The first way is this: the Department of Labor is going to promulgate a rule that says that every employee making under a certain amount, it's reputed to be $47,000, will be deemed to be an hourly employee. Now, this is going to have a dramatic effect on the workplace. All administrative, professional, executive personnel who are currently exempt are going to be deemed to be non-exempt hourly workers entitled to overtime unless they make at least $47,000. You're going to need a plan to deal with this. Are you going to raise their salary over the threshold? Or are you going to allow them to continue to be hourly employees but ban overtime and hire part-timers? Think of the effects on efficiency, on morale. This is a big deal. You've got to have a plan in place. The second issue has to do with transgender persons. The EEOC takes the position that transgender persons are entitled to protection against discrimination. The practical issue in the workplace plays out in respect to the choice of bathroom. Which bathroom does a transgender person use? The federal government says the transgender person must be able to use their chosen gender's bathroom. Lots of states are taking the position that a transgender must use the bathroom of the gender identified on their birth certificate. This is a federal versus state battle right now. No one really knows how it's ultimately going to play out, but the EEOC is aggressively enforcing its doctrine. The third issue has to do with the National Labor Relations Board, the NLRB. The NLRB has been extremely aggressive about protecting employee rights to complain about working conditions. And they've even taken that to the point of saying that postings on social media like Facebook, even if they're vulgar, even if they're insulting, if they have anything to do with some identification of working conditions about which employees are complaining, you can't discipline or terminate employees with respect to that. This is causing a lot of problems in a lot of workplaces. Handbooks are being analyzed, unfair labor practices and other proceedings are being brought against employees who violate this law. You're going to need to get counsel in respect to this because as of now, it's a brand new world in regards to handbooks and employee discipline. The takeaway from all of this is that you cannot depend upon your common sense. At MEA, we've tried to implement some means to assist you in that regard. There's the employment law updates, there's the MEA hotline, and we've started a general counsel hotline for issues that even extend beyond employment law. Let us know if we can help.